We're gonna go to the airport and we're gonna fly away like a bird. I just wanted to say that it's been 31 hours since I've eaten. So that was from the last video, but so yeah, 31 hours so far. I still haven't eaten. Yeah, I did. So how you feeling?
Bright lights hurt my eyes.
Are you ready for the zoo?
No.
What is the zoo?
I mean, yeah, I'm ready to go near the zoo.
Yeah, let's go to the movies and watch Zootopia. It's awesome. We're gonna go see a million, trillion, bajillion movies, Tito.
We have to go.
Why are you doing that to me?
Tito,
We skipped all this line.
we get to skip the line
Because we only got carry-ons?
No, because we did it online already. We got to skip the line that starts from there all the way to there. So we're very lucky.
If you leave your bags here, you're gonna get shot. Yeah.
How?
Because it's illegal.
So we're gonna get
Murder is the only way of justice.
Tito.
Really hungry.
We're on the other side.
Epic. Yay, no, not yet.
Yeah, we're on the other side of customs.
Now we are.
Yeah, we're on the other side.
We need to actually cross over.
What are we gonna do?
Smells like grilled cheese.
Time.
Why so much?
What are you? What are you doing?
I'm just trying to live a life
You're trying to live life.
and be normal, and then you just all of a sudden are like, interview time.
Are you hungry, Tito?
Yeah, I'm like, my stomach really hurts about doing this.
His son. Are you excited? We've got 2 hours to kill. Yay!
We've got McDonald's to eat.
We've got McDonald's to eat after a long time of not eating. Out of not eating?
Yeah, like my stomach hurts of not eating, and it's like I haven't eaten in a long time.
You haven't eaten in like 8 hours, Tito. What are you talking about?
I'm really hungry. I just want a hash brown.
Okay, Tito. Now here's the thing, right? I have not eaten in 30 plus hours, and you're complaining about like an 8-hour not eating.
I know, but I did sign up for a challenge, and I'm being challenged.
Am I dumb, Tito?
Finally, I get to eat.
Yeah, so it's been 33 hours since I've eaten, and my first meal is gonna be this crap. We're about to board the plane, Tito. How you feel? Average?
Yeah.
You guys ready? We're going on a trip now. There's a guy. That man is so majestic. You can smell the American air. It smells so much different than where I was before. It's just fascinating to me how it just smells so different. It smells like I can eat the air. Like it smells like it tastes good. At least just for me. I don't know about you guys, but for me, 100% yes. I want to eat the air. What, Tito, though? Yeah, Tito. Stand on the floor and it moves. Tito, isn't it so fascinating? You can walk or you can stand this completely still and you're still moving. Ha, I'm walking, but not walking. Faster than you, boy. I'm still faster than you. I've got an advantage. Connecting flights. Hey Tito, you ready to take a bus?
We're gonna take one?
Yeah,
Can we
we're
just
gonna.
wait for it and it's free?
Yeah.
That's dope.
You right here? That old man, he's gonna drive us.
It's a more recent endeavor that is sort of competitively, and I've been looking for something else, so I just more recent.
The glorious boy, Daniel's
I died
hometown.
many times.
It's like fascinating.
That's what I'm fascinated.
It's so fascinating. Everyone has AirPods and it's so fancy. When was the last time we went to the States?
Last year, not even a full year ago. I don't know why you're.
I feel like it's my first time in a lifetime.
Yeah, they're
On the road again.
I thought it was like 2 hours, like 4 hours.
On the road again.